Today I am reviewing the 70mai A810 Lite 4K dashcam. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the physical unit, the A810 Lite is impressively compact. It is about the size of a credit card, which is exactly what you want when you are mounting something to your windshield. You don't want a massive plastic brick blocking your line of sight, and this unit tucks away very discreetly behind the rear view mirror. The installation is straightforward, and because it uses a static sticker mount rather than suction cups, it feels secure and shouldn't fall off during a hot summer day. The headline feature here is the 4K front recording. When you pull the footage onto your computer, the clarity is genuinely impressive. You can clearly see license plates of cars in front of you, which is the gold standard for dashcam evidence. The rear camera, which records in 1080p, is a great addition for peace of mind. It isn't going to win any cinematic awards, but it does exactly what it needs to do. Capture what is happening behind you, which is just as important in a hit-and-run or a rear-end collision. One of the real standouts for me is how it handles night driving. The HDR, or High Dynamic Range, processing does a great job of balancing the image. If you have ever been blinded by the headlights of a truck behind you or struggled to see into a dark, unlit road, you know how hard it can be for a camera sensor to adjust. This unit uses a large aperture lens to pull in more light, and the HDR tuning helps keep the footage from being washed out by streetlights or headlights. It is not going to turn night into day, but it is certainly capable enough to give you a clear view of the road when the sun goes down. Now, I do have to talk about the 4G LTE remote access because that is a big selling point. If you buy the compatible hardware kit, you can actually connect to your car remotely. This means you can get alerts on your phone if your car is bumped while parked, and you can even pull up a live view of what the camera is seeing. It is a fantastic feature for security, especially if you park on the street. However, keep in mind that you need to be realistic about the setup. It requires a hardware kit, which means either doing a bit of electrical work or paying a professional to install it for you. It isn't just plug and play like the standard power cable. The Wi-Fi 6 integration is another area where the A810 Lite feels modern. Moving 4K video files from a dash cam to a phone can be painfully slow on older cameras, but the 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 connection makes the transfer significantly faster. You can quickly download a clip to your phone to share with an insurance company or a police officer right there on the scene, which saves you from having to pull the microSD card out and find a computer. I also appreciate the voice control. When you are driving, you do not want to be fumbling with buttons. Being able to just say a command to take a photo or lock a video is much safer and easier than trying to remember which button does what. The system also uses a supercapacitor rather than a lithium battery. This is a big win for durability, especially if you live in a place with extreme temperatures. Lithium batteries in dash cams tend to swell and fail when they get cooked in a hot car during the summer, whereas a supercapacitor is much more resilient. That being said, the system is not perfect. The 4K recording at 30 frames per second is great, but because it is 4K, it eats up storage space quickly. You will want to make sure you pick up a high-quality, high-endurance microSD card that is designed for dash cam use. Do not try to save money by using an old or slow card, or you will find that the camera stops recording or corrupts your footage. Also, while the app is generally solid, navigating through all the different settings and menu options can be a little bit of a learning curve at first, if you're a student, a rideshare driver, or just someone who spends a lot of time commuting. This dash cam is a great value. It covers all the bases: high resolution, reliable parking mode, and a compact design that doesn't get in the way. If you are the type of person who just wants to set it and forget it, this is a very strong contender. You install it, make sure your SD card is formatted, and you really don't have to touch it again unless you actually need to pull footage. However, if you're looking for something that is strictly for casual, short-trip driving and you have zero interest in parking surveillance or remote monitoring, you might find that you are paying for features you aren't going to use. You could get by with a simpler, cheaper 1080p unit. But if you value having that 4K clarity and the extra security of the remote alerts, it is hard to find a better balance for the money. Did I guess it worth it? Yes, I think so. The combination of the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, which is essentially the industry gold standard for low light sensitivity, and the modern connectivity features makes this feel like a device that is going to be relevant for a long time. It does the job, it does it reliably, and it gives you that extra layer of evidence that you hope you never need, but will be very grateful for if you ever do. Just be sure to set aside a little time to get it installed properly, choose a good memory card, and take a moment to walk through the app settings so you know exactly how to pull your footage if you ever need it. It is a smart, well-executed piece of safety equipment that fits perfectly into the modern driving experience.